Hey guys, let's do a real estate tour of this house. So we're going to go this way. And I have the props guard right now. So I'm in FPV mode. So for the entrance, I'm going to try to go not too fast so I don't hit things. Here we go. So we're going to start with the living room. It says there's no GNSS. So in terms of signal, I gotta say this is not the best drone I've tested, but I still have a pretty good connection with the goggles, so that's okay. We're gonna go this way in the garden a little bit, explore around, and see. So right now, the goggles are lagging big time. We're gonna go up, and we're gonna try to enter from the other side of the house. You'll see sometimes I do stop because I do not know this drone as well as I would with other drones from other brands. We're gonna go inside this window like so. So far, so good. This allows you also to see how it performs when the light is not so bright indoor. I kept the shades down on purpose so that we can see how the sensor behaves in low light. So I repeat, I am in FPV mode in order to do this because otherwise the remote does not react properly. It's more of a beginner-friendly type of mode. So we're going to try to take the stairs and go down here. You can see I point down and I have my controller going down as well. And I'm going to turn like so around the kitchen. And we're going to go back to the living room. And we're going to go to the garden. By the way, I'm recording this audio using the goggles, which is a very, very neat feature because I can just record what I see and you can hear me. Okay, so now I am losing the signal, which is very scary because I'm under a tree. So I don't want to lose fully my signal. So you can see in the goggles that it doesn't look too good. And now the signal is back. I'm much closer to where I am standing. Now this building has some pretty intense connections and antennas around, making it pretty hard to fly around and to keep the connection to the drone. But overall, it's pretty good. It's mainly when I go to the back of the building, like I'm doing right now, that it makes it a little bit tricky. We're going to go this way. We're going to go a little bit lower to the ground, making it a little bit more interesting for the viewer. And I'm going to attempt getting into the kitchen from the window. I say I'm trying to attempt because I haven't done so yet. I'm going to go this way. And we're going to go slowly because I don't want to crash into the window. Oh, I just stopped there. Whew. All right, I could have done a better entrance. It's good that I have props guards, by the way. Those can be purchased separately, but I think if you're going to be doing any indoor shots, you will need to have those on in order to avoid scraping or breaking anything, especially if you want to use these for real estate at a client's house. You don't want to drop things accidentally. Overall, the flying experience is pretty good. Haven't had any issue other than the connection, which is a bit of an annoyance. But it depends, again, where you're shooting, what kind of buildings you have around, if you have your view being blocked, and so forth. Overall, I find it very pleasing. It's a good little drone. And you can do really, really cool things, again, in FPV mode. So now I can imagine going to the garden and flipping the camera, turning it so it looks backwards as I'm flying forward. And I'm going to do a wider shot. So you see when I come here and I turn around like so, you're not necessarily going to see this in the post edit, but that's the beauty of 360 drones, isn't it? So let's go back inside. We're going to go through the back window once again. You see, it has a hard time with the signal. That's one thing. At least it didn't lose signal fully like I had in previous drones, like the DJI Avata 1. But I'm going to try getting in again from this window here. But I think if you want to use this for real estate, you could. You just have to cut in between because obviously now I'm doing a one shot. But you could totally do that. So like, let's see if I could go down the stairs over here and go straight out. Bit of a tricky shot, but it could look nice after in the post editing, like so. And we go out here, and I'm gonna try to turn around, say hi, hey. All right, here we go. I hope this was useful. Trying to see you. Oh, here we go. Bye, guys.